Right, this is the Peter Bitcoin Show, live for you all. Thank you for watching episode 4. So, let's get in to the charts. Rightio. So, let's get in to the charts. Right, so we're happy here, and we're just going to look at the price of Bitcoin. So from last time we had a bit of a equilateral triangle, and it was either going to break to the upside or the downside, and as we can see here, it has as we can see here, it's gone to the downside here, just gone boom boom boom, and we've had from the local high to the bottom, we had a minus 3% move, and so we went from 37,500 down to 36,200, but we're looking bullish on zoomed in a little bit. We're looking bullish on the 15-minute chart. We'll just check the 5-minute chart. We had a green candle with some quite a lot of volume here. Quite a lot of volume here. There's a green spike of volume, and we had a green candle going up. How many percent? It was a 0.8% move. Yeah, like that. So if we were going to do some technical analysis on this, we are in, to get rid of this one, we're in a falling channel here, just going down here. We found support on this. I don't really know how to draw it. I don't think it's really a pattern, but on this falling channel, and that could break upwards. If we want it to go upwards, we could break the resistance and just go up like that, which is possible. So we've got that to consider. But let's just look at the larger time frames, the daily. Just see what's happening here. Got that falling channel, 3% move. But on a larger time frame, we're looking bullish. I'll look at the 4 hour, see if we can. We've been just going sideways quite some time. Got this falling channel here. When will Pleb flip Dogecoin? Okay, so we'll look at the coin CoinGecko, and Dogecoin is currently sat at how many? $10 billion, and Pleb is the Pleb token is at market cap doesn't have a market cap, which is slightly worrying. I guess we could figure it out in the calculator. Market cap doesn't have a market cap. It did. Okay, so we're talking just no market cap really, but we've had a volume of 4 million before. But if we get out the calculator and we'll figure out the market cap. So, the market cap 250,000 is a fully dilated valuation. Let's just put in the total supply into here, multiplied by the price. This is next level technology. Equals. Yeah, so we're looking at a 251,000 market cap. So for that to overtake Dogecoin at 10 billion. So if we just type in 10 billion, it's actually 10.5. 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 10.5 billion divided by 251,000 equals. So we're looking at a 41,832 times move for Plebcoin to overtake Dogecoin. And they're both memes, but one is slightly better than the other. So just look at Plebcoin a second. On the day, we had these levels of support and resistance, and we've just testing this long-term, not long-term because we're on the 4 hour, but just this quite a while. We've got support, we've tested it, and if we had to draw a pattern, we might think about different patterns. But if we just draw a triangle, I would be tempted to draw triangle really, like this going down, and we're filling up this triangle pattern, and we're going to break this pattern, fill it out, and then we might go boom up. And if we have a measure, if we say it's a big thank you, I'm very knowledgeable. Yeah, so if we have a big move, a big flag, let's say, and then we take this 44% gain, and then if we take this and take this measured move to the upside, then we're looking at I got to draw this correctly. So we take this 78%, 79% move and take it to the upside. We're looking at a 43% move in a bullish scenario. So we'll see if that fills out given time, but Pleb is quite heavily reliant on there being lots of volume and having the meme go well. So what we can look at is the price of Dogecoin. Dogecoin. It's quite volatile as a dog. Brilliant. Yeah, it's quite volatile. So if we took the move that it's just made from just under 6 cents, it's had a 40% move, but then it's also had a 12%, 11% move downwards. But if I had to draw a pattern, I would say it's finding resistance on the bottom here. Just on the bottom here, it's finding resistance. So yeah, we've tested it, and if we were to draw a rising channel that it will break out of, so if we take that rising channel and we take the move from the top to the bottom, and if we zoom out and just take that move there, and we can have that move 18% move, would be looking at nearly a 9 cent Dogecoin. Not sure if that's pattern. We'll just see if there's any patterns here. Not that I can see. I think it. Yeah, I don't know if it's bullish or bearish, to be honest. But that's alright. We'll look at Bitcoin again. We'll just have a quick glance. Bitcoin's doing good. Let's look at the 5 minute. 5 minute is looking bullish. We're just testing the top of this support, and we could be right there, just testing the top of the support, and we could be breaking out, which is good. And then we'll look at Ethereum. Ethereum on the 5 minute is looking good as well. If we were to draw resistance, we're just touching the resistance or breaking out a little bit there, right there, just breaking out. And then if we look at other coins that we're interested in, Cardano is doing well. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, it's got a long way to go upwards. It's looking like it will go to the moon. And then we've got XRP. We'll just check a few more. XRP's got this long-term support on the daily. If we take the bottoms there, if things aren't bullish, then they could retrace on the XRP and go boom up. But it doesn't look like we're doing any of that soon. It's looking quite bullish. We had if we zoom in, we had a quick rise to the upside. I think that was some fake news. We had a 17% move. But that was fake news, and we've gone back to a sensible level. But that was the SEC, that massive green candle where they won a lawsuit against the SEC. Yeah, so that's alright. And then also we've got Chainlink, and then we'll look at some crypto news. Chainlink is looking bullish. We had a pattern and it fell out of the pattern. It's on the daily. We had a withdrawal in the last couple of days. If we look at the 15-minute, yeah, it sort of had a pattern there, channel that it broke out of, and we've got some green volley on the 15-minute, so that could work out. Okay, how much band do you need to be a millionaire? Now there's a question. So we'll just look at the band chart for a second there. So it's at 1.48. So the amount of band you need, so 1 million divided by 1.48 equals, you need 676,000 band to be a millionaire in dollars. You heard it here first, and it's looking bullish. Got a long way to go upwards. It's already in the last week or so, has already done a oh no, this is 15-minute. Yeah, it could be bottomed out here. If we had to draw a line for the resistance, it would be a bit like this. I wouldn't know how to draw it exactly, but a bit like this, and this looks like it's broken out of the trend, so just go boom, 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 up and away. Yeah, so that's good, and we've looked at the charts. If you've got any suggestions, I will update you all. But next segment, dun dun dun, the news on the Peter Bitcoin Show. So let's go on the news. Okay, right. Oh, this is old news. Let's refresh. Yes, better news. Okay, Moon surges over 180% following new token plan. Cryptocurrency token Moons, associated with Reddit's cryptocurrency community, has surged over 180% following an update by community moderators outlining new direction for the token. Very interesting. Cool. So the Moon's gone up. Fake news filing pumps XRP 12% before retracing. A fake news filing saw the price of XRP shoot up by 12% before retracing the move upon confirmation that the filing was fake. Buy the rumour, sell the news. Yep. So here are some strategies to guard against misinformation. Verify sources, assess the author, check timelines, analyze bias. What else do we have in the news today? US CPI comes in below forecast at 3.2%. The US headline Consumer Price Index came below target at 3.2% for October. That's good. So that's inflation going down. The release of October's data marks the 5th straight month inflation has been below 4%. Since June's data was released, the CPI figure has remained between 3 to 4%, marking a consistent trend with the data. The moon has risen. Yes, it has. Okay, so that's interesting news there. So let's go back on the news. So what else is there? Oh, Grayscale CEO. Yes. So when will the Bitcoin ETF be released? I don't know. Hopefully very soon. If I had to say, it would be at the end of November, if in my humble opinion. But that's just me. Right. Grayscale CEO hints at spot ETF approval. The CEO of Grayscale hinted towards the approval of its spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund ETF application. On Monday, the CEO of Grayscale posted a vague but seemingly straightforward message to investors on X. Michael Sonnenschein stated, "It's been a 10-year dress rehearsal. We're ready for the main event." Ooh. The CEO's cryptic message alludes to the potential of its ETF application being approved after an elongated wait. Grayscale awaiting green light. Grayscale has long been awaiting approval to convert its Bitcoin Trust into a spot ETF. Lovely. So Grayscale is one of the largest Bitcoin holders in the world, with approximately 643,000 Bitcoin on the books of the fund. Nice. So that's your latest news. We'll go over to Q&A and then we'll be done. News. Diddle-dun, diddle-dun, boom. Right. Thank you for watching. This has been the Peter Repeater live with you all. Just having a good time. So, build your own crypto wallet. David on this website is busy. We'll see. Okay, let's look at the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin price. Okay, the Bitcoin price. BTC. Oh, I've got one more thing to check after this. So BTC, we're looking at this. I don't know how I've drawn this. I don't know where this has come from. But we're looking to break this trend and come out of the falling channel. Okay, how do you keep your cryptocurrency secure? You do that by having a cold wallet, and you put it on a USB stick, and you have access to your own private keys and your own wallet, and it's off the exchange, and not your keys, not your crypto. You got to have your own keys for the wallet, and you can get Ledger is one way of So you can have F11. So there's ledger. You can get a ledger. There you go. Or you can get a Tezos, is it? No. Secure crypto hardware wallet. You can get a Trezor as well. I like Ledger, so you don't truly own your coins. Exchanges are targets for hackers. Your personal data may be exposed. You own 100% of your coins. Your wallet's 100% safe offline. Your data is 100% anonymous. So that's how you keep your... But I like Ledger. Ledger works as well. What's the Ledger Stacks? Oh. That looks good. Ledger Stacks. I'd like a Ledger Stacks. That would be good. What is the most profitable coin to mine? So we've got Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Vertcoin, Cardano, Litecoin, Ravencoin, Monero, Grin, Dash, and Dogecoin. Yes, I have sold Unstoppable Domains, but not recently. I haven't got any offers, but if I look at I can't look at the ones I have owned in the past. If I look at activity, go for sales, I've sold quite a lot really. I've sold BTC1.coin, Paylauren, receiving, tap2pay.x, Donkey King. I've sold things for bargain really. Buy stocks is my best selling. Yeah. But I'll sell more. I bought buy stocks for 0.7 Ethereum and I sold it for 1 Ethereum. That's my best. And let's see if they've still got it. Yeah, they've still got it. Should have kept on to it. That's right. Well, I'll pick up again. How is Bitcoin Cash different from Bitcoin? Not a clue. How is What's Bitcoin versus Bitcoin Cash? What's the difference? Bitcoin Cash is a different story. Bitcoin Cash started was started by Bitcoin miners and developers equally concerned about the future of cryptocurrency and its ability to scale effectively. I don't know. Which cryptocurrencies have the funniest names? Funny named cryptocurrency. Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic Inu, Shaman King Inu, Web3 Inu, Mafia Doge, Doge Gay Son. What? Doge Gay Son. We're looking at the funniest names for crypto. Doge Gay Son. It's like the not sure how I feel about that. Cum Rocket, Cummies, and Totally a Rug Pull Tarp, Tweelon, right, it's like Elon but tweet, Tweelon, Staplon, very exciting stuff. So let's look at the latest news. The Peter Bitcoin Show. The latest news. We've looked at all the news. There's been no news. Let's just check the price of Bitcoin. You'll hear me say that a lot. BTC. Oh, it's starting to move a little bit. Just coming out of the falling wedge. Anyway, thank you all for watching. This has been the Peter Bitcoin Show. I've been Peter. We've been in Bitcoin. And till next time, bye for now. Bitcoin will be pumped to the moon. Thank you and goodbye. Bye bye.